Sweet pea, would you help me look through my bags? I just want to make sure I have everything. I know I've done it 4 times already, but better safe than sorry, you know? Come on, it'll be just one more time. You're right. I'm just overthinking it. Everything's in there, just like the last time we checked. And the time before that. And you get the picture. Sugar Plum, will you please hand me that bag? Thank you. Well, here I am, all ready to migrate for another year. Actually, I don't think one more check would hurt. You know how forgetful I can... what do you mean? No, no. I'm not avoiding anything. I don't even understand why you would think that. But I... You're right. It's just that... You know... For the past 7 years, you've been able to catch a plane and meet up with me after migration, but this year you can't. And I don't want to leave you here all alone. I know we can video call, but it's not the same. I need to have my sweet pea next to me. Nothing about this situation is right. Airfare has been going up every year, and it's finally gotten to the point where we can't afford it anymore. I hate to just leave you behind. This is why we're part of that demi-human rights group who protests every year, so that the government will give migrating families some sort of financial help. But no, they'd rather just... You're right. No politics now. I can't bear to leave you, Sugar Plum. It's not fair. You've told me that before. I know it's not right to fight my instincts, but still, this means that we won't be able to cuddle at all. We can't have in-person date nights. We won't even be able to spend the holidays together. We're just lucky that we haven't had any kids yet, because then they would have to make the choice and... Yeah, you're right. My thoughts are spiraling a bit. I think I need to sit down. Well, will you hold me for a minute, please? Thank you. I really needed this. Can I get some kisses too? This is why you're the best, Sweet Pea. You're my favorite person in the whole wide world. You know that? Well, I don't care. I'm gonna say it anyways. You deserve to know how much I cherish you. I am gonna miss you. It's gonna be so hard having you so far away. I know I'll have my family, but still, you're the light of my life. The wind for my sails, the worms to my early bird or something. You know, I've never been good at this. I'm not the smooth talking romantic that you are. Promise that you'll call me every night, please? And I'm serious about that. If you don't call, I am flying right back here to make sure that you're okay. Thank you, Sugar Plum. Yeah, I think I'm ready now. Okay, I've quadruple checked my bags, had a healthy meal, gotten kisses from my sweet pea, and I'm all ready to go flying. All that's left to do is wait for my flock. Yup, any minute now. Soon? They'll be here soon. The longer I wait, the harder it is to leave. Sugar Plum, I can't do this. No, I can't. I can't let you spend the next 6 months here while I'm all the way south of the equator. Think about the holidays we'll miss out on celebrating. All the time you'll spend here working while I'm enjoying the sun with my family. I can't do this to you, sweet pea. I'm sorry. I don't care about my instincts. If staying here for the next 6 months turns me into a crazy old nutcase, then that's the price I'll have to pay. I'm not leaving you. What do you mean I won't be? We can't afford the trip. What is this? A plane ticket? But... You're really coming with me? Oh, thank you! Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, sweet pea, I love you from the bottom of my heart. You are my everything. Why didn't you tell me that from the get-go? Well, it's nice you wanted it to be a surprise, but you worried me half to death. Just tell me next time, alright, Sugar Plum? Thank you. How did you even afford this? I thought our salaries wouldn't cover the expenses. Don't tell me you bought the ticket without having enough money for the entire trip. Of course I know where you go on the weekends. Your friends all meet up for game night. You canceled that to work more hours? Oh, Sugar Plum, you must be exhausted. How long have you been doing this? Jeez, what were you thinking? Of course I'm thankful. I just worry about your health, sweet pea. Don't ever do this again. You hear me? Good. Now, with that being said, I'm so happy you're coming with me. Oh, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Let me see that ticket. Oh, it looks like you're heading down a week from now. I cannot wait. We're gonna have the best migration together. Huh? Ah, that sounds like my flock. Right. Right. I need to get going. Now, I was serious about calling every night. You hear, sweet pea? And while you're at it, call me before you board the plane and after it lands. I want to make sure your flight was safe. Oh, and remember to pack all the essentials. I don't want to see you going home early because you forgot your toothbrush again. And one more thing. I love you. Mwah. See you in a few days. Alright, sweet pea? I love you. So much. Thank you for this. Alright. I'll head out. After one little peck for the road. Mwah. See you soon, Sugar Plum. Hiya, Saki here. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that I was able to bring you some happiness, peace, and comfort. If you want to support me on Twitch, feel free to. I stream about every day. You can also subscribe to the YouTube channel. That would make me really happy. You can also find me on Patreon, Discord, or Twitter. Thank you so much for everything you guys do for me. I really, really appreciate it. Now, take care. Mwah.